Must record you then the zebras.
Record who? Me?
And here we are at Steinbank buying Pawsy now.
Take a video off the shit on here. There's shit here. Get on this side. Get up this side. Doing it down here.
I can see it, I can see it, I can see it.
Okay.
Holy shit, that's a lot of shit.
It's a big shit, right?
I'm gonna
Document it, because you know, just in case
document.
we go missing. If we go missing, we need to have video evidence that
Nikki,
we were actually here.
can you put your sun visor up? Thank you, my darling.
What about this here? Clap it here, right? Guys, if we get kidnapped, killed by a zebra or a lion or something.
What do you call those guys? They come out of the bushes.
Hillbillies.
Yes,
Oh,
hillbilly. I'm hillbilly bomb.
Take a wrong turn over here.
Hillbilly Bob!
Hillbilly bomb.
No vehicle access, let's go there.
No, no, no.
Just joking, man. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just driving to the bush. Oh yeah, okay. You gotta get this on footage. Footage.
I'm
you gotta
here.
get footage.
I'm on
As
footage.
you can see, this is a Croton Salavashik.
Oh, there's people there.
Fuck, I can't pronounce it.
Savelaticus.
Is this where we're going? Stop recording, we're gonna kill someone.
No.
No, can't be.
Yeah.
I think this is where the signs were. Oh, there's the signs.
Okay, so car
That's
park, very
office.
picnic side.
Top picnic
So I
sites.
go to the top one.
Top picnic, huh?
Yeah.
It says car park there. But there's a trail there. I'm not gonna walk. Yeah, so. This is legit, dude. Oh yeah, guys, look inside the bushes just in case there's a crouching lion.
I don't think they have lions
No,
here.
they don't have lions.
Crouching buck.
I want to go to Tala Game Reserve. There they have lions, I think.
Yo, I want to
And they
feel what
have
it feels like to be
elephants
eaten.
there.
Elephants?
Yeah, they have elephants.
I want to feel what it feels like to be eaten by a lion.
Johnny,
It's so-
what did I say? Do not play this recording in front of me because I don't want to hear my ugly voice.
Your voice is beautiful.
This is so legit. This is legitness.
We're over there.
Where? Am I gonna see a buck again? I want to see animal life. What if they chase us? I hit it with the wine. So the fucking going.
Dude, the wine bottle is made of plastic.
You're telling me that because of my pasta? You saw me behind them.
The road is long with many winding
No, your car's not
turns.
made for off-road.
Hey, if I'm going off the road, that means it's off road. This is not a road.
This is a dirt road.
This is off-road.
You see it? We gotta play some nature music, guys.
So wait, if it's a dirt road, it's still considered a road.
Yeah.
Do I have nature music? What would be considered as nature music?
These nuts.
Some fucking bitch and booty clapping.
Yep.
What is this in the road?
That is a log.
A lion shit. It's lion shit. They shit logs. You know what'll be the craziest part? We get so deep in, we run out of petrol,
And we get lost.
and then eaten by lions. And he gets abducted by hillbilly.
What'll be worse if we get
die
eaten by
normally.
zebra?
We die normally, our bodies get found.
He gets tortured.
He gets tortured by hillbillies.
Oh.
You look like that guy.
Guys, why?
No, you can't go there.
But there's driving things.
I don't know where that leads to.
And you're going in the bush.
I know. I was wondering why my car's going doop, doop, doop. But that place looks nice though. Yeah.
I'm off, we end up by the entrance again.
I doubt it. We're going straight. Go straight.
Where do we get a beer? Ah, bro, go straight.
Go straight.
walk to the castle if you want to.
The castle's on the other side of the world.
It's there, right there.
On paper, it looks like it's right there.
It's right there.
But we've been driving for an hour.
Dude, you know people with Toyota Yaris? No, Gets. Yeah, Gets. No, not Gets. Atos. Can it
That's
come
in
up
Go.
here? Can a Atos come up here?
Yeah.
Ah. It'll be painful though.
Yeah.
Hurt the poor car.
And it's not an ATOS, it's a GATOS.
Okay, this must be a park. Oh, it's a tree.
Walker cyclists together for the next 1,000 meters. Why couldn't they just say 1 kilometer?
Guys, I am not taking a wrong turn.
Ish.
Oof. It says cycle right. There's an arrow. Oof. 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 Guys, we lost.
The map is not playing anymore.
This thing here looks more. Oh, there's a gate there. We can't go there.
Yeah, we can't go there. That's someone's house, thinks there.
I took the right turn.
And there's people here. Who's these people? Bro, I love these. Don't drive over the shit. Hey, you drove over the
I
shit.
didn't. I saw it.
No, we're going the right turn.
There's a picnic site down here.
Oh, you remember now?
Yeah, topic.
No,
It says right
we can
there.
go up here and there's a picnic site down on this road.
So we
But
drive.
I don't know if this picnic site down here is full.
So we drive straight.
Either we go up or we go straight.
Okay.
Is it here?
Oh my god.
Wait, look if there's people there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's people. I think those people are these
Should we
people.
go straight or should we go
Go
left?
up. Because there's nothing else down here. And none of people.
And this music is top for this because you're feeling the vibe of it, eh?
Yeah, boy.
Oh.
We need the toilet. Well, you need it.
Yeah, after this water again.
Mango water.
Mango.
We got taps too.
Oh, yeah, is it empty?
Guys, I want to see zebras, not freaking nuts. No.
Oh, at least it's secluded.
People just leave this stuff and they go.
Yeah.
And no one does anything to it.
Twice as nice for a single
It's
price.
clear, they don't know
So
us.
we can either sit there. Okay, sit there. So you can park here.
That looks so cool.
Dude, it's got a fireplace and everything.
Sis,
Ew.
I don't really like to know that. This place there?
Yeah,
No.
go there to the bar area.
Wait, let's just see what it's like. We'll drive back there.
I love there's O's clapping in this bucket.
So,
O's, not even an O and a Betty.
yo, look how
O's.
nice this looks.
Dude. Yeah.
Have you never been here?
No.
No.
We just need more people to have a friend.